I'ma need a biz in a new Montclair. Got the new protect, cause the diamonds more clear. Lead on bitches way like a hormone monster. Talking about this shit, what you need, I'm all.
Hey, couture cuties, my curvy fashion forward dolls and my fashion forward dudes. How y'all doing? Welcome to another Coco's Couture Closet, home of all the trendy tips for plus size hips. I am Coco, and
This is my closet, 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 this is my closet.
if you are new here, hello love. I am so happy you decided to stop by. Please stick around, like, comment, and subscribe, and become one of Coco's curvy fashion forward dolls or dudes. And if you are already a subscriber, mwah, it's great to be back here with you in the Couture Closet. Now, whether you are a new subby or an old subby, hit that bell below, guys. Pound it so that when I upload a new video,
You can be the first to know, so you can be the first to watch. Yes, honey, yes.
and make sure you all follow me on all of my social media platforms. I am Dr. Coco _Curves on both Instagram and TikTok, and Miss Perfect 1988 on Snapchat. Snapchat is where all the exclusives drop before they make it over here to the channel. Now, you all know if I'm sitting in the Couture Closet recording, that must mean that I bought something that I cannot wait to show you guys. That's right, and I did. But before we get into my purchase, I want to thank Dossier for collabing with me on this video. They sent over some amazing fragrances that I cannot wait to smell and let you all know what I think of them. But first, let me tell you a little bit about Dossier so you can be more comfortable with your purchase. I've teamed up with Dossier to bring you all two more high quality perfumes without the jaw-dropping tags, guaranteed to get the senses tingling of that special someone, or just to have you feeling like the baddie that you know you are. These high quality, good for your body, good for the world, and good for your wallet scents that Dossier provides are a must have for all the bougie on a budget queens.
I'ma need a biz in a new Montclair. Got the new protect, cause the diamonds more clear. Lead on bitches way like a hormone monster. Talking about this shit, what you need, I'm all there. I'ma need a biz in a new Montclair. Got the new protect, cause the diamonds more clear. Lead on bitches way like a hormone monster. Talking about this shit, what you need, I'm all there.
Now, the way Dossier works is pretty simple. Your Dossier order arrives, and then it's time for you to test it out. Love the smell? Keep it. If not, only use the sample and return the full bottle for a full refund or to try out a new fragrance. Just be sure not to use that full bottle until you know for sure you're going to keep it. Thank you to Dossier for sending over these fragrances. And now back to the video. I hope that information was helpful to you guys when considering purchasing Dossier. Believe me when I tell you, you will not be disappointed. Now, let's look at the fragrances that Dossier and smell the fragrances that Dossier sent over to me. So this is the first fragrance. This, I love their slogan, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So this is the first scent. This is Floral Grapefruit. It has top notes of grapefruit, pear, and black currant, middle notes of jasmine and lilac, and base notes of orris, musk, and amberwood. This fragrance is inspired by Chanel Chance. So let's give it a smell. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. I definitely smell the grapefruit. I feel like the grapefruit is really strong in this. That smells good. I also I'm getting a hint of musk. We like this, you guys. I would spray it. I can smell it through the bottle, but I would spray it on myself because it smells so good, but I already have on something. Dossier, of course. Now this second fragrance, unfortunately, I did wet the box, and so the box did fall apart and got damaged when I wet it while I was trying to get ready. So I don't have the box available, but I have the perfume, and that's all that matters. Now this is Floral Rhubarb. Floral Rhubarb is inspired by Marc Jacobs Perfect. I love Marc Jacobs scents. I have quite a few of them already. Top notes are rhubarb, orange, blossom, and peach. Ooh, peach. Middle notes are daffodil, milky accord, and narcissus. The narcissus flower. I like Greek mythology, so I've been reading up on the narcissus flower and its origin, the name, and all of that, so it caught my attention. Base notes of cedarwood, blonde wood, and musk. All right, let's smell. So she's really soft. This perfume is really soft. It smells really good though. I would say this is like an everyday scent. Let it wear off a little bit. I definitely smelled the peach. Absolutely. I feel like the peach is what's making it so soft, but I really like it. I feel like most Marc Jacobs perfumes like honey and like honey are not really strong, but like decadence, the different versions of decadence, those are quite strong. So I think it just kind of fluctuates based on what you like, but I do like this. As always, thank you to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. Amazing fragrances at an affordable price. Make sure you all shop their website and use the link below when you shop. All right, Couture Cuties, now what you are really here for is what's in this box. You all want to know what I purchased. From the title, you already know, but if you don't know what this bag is, I purchased the Cise Protect Black Women vegan cruelty-free bag. I believe that Cise is a black owned. I hope that I'm saying that right. I believe that Cise is a black owned brand, although I'm not 100% sure. But what I do want to do really quick before I show you all the bag is read what they say on the site about this bag in particular. Protecting Black women is more than a statement. Giving Black women power is a form of protection. With March being Women's History Month, there's not a more perfect time to introduce our new initiative, Protect Black Women. So I'm assuming that this bag was launched in March. Through thoughtful partnership and campaign, we've made our mission to highlight everything amazing about Black women. And it goes on and on more about the partnership and who they've partnered with and everything. And yes, they are Black owned. They are based in Los Angeles, and this is a community-driven company, which usually means that companies like this hire people in the community to work for them, which all three of those are absolutely amazing. So kudos to Cise on that. I'm so excited, you guys, because I haven't seen this bag yet. I haven't seen it. And I'm so excited to see it. When I saw the things that came with it, I said, no, I got to unbox this on camera. So let's see what we got from Cise. So everything came packaged in this huge Cise reusable bag. These bags, I love them because they are water resistant. And so when I do my closet sales, I use bags like these. I recycle bags like these. So when people order ball gowns and stuff, I'm always looking for big bags like these. So I was really happy when I saw one of these. Like they definitely did the thing with making sure that this got to me in a timely manner, and also that it got to me undamaged. Now, I pre-ordered my bag because they were out of the color that I wanted, and it was a 2 to 7 week wait time. I would say altogether with shipping included, I probably got my bag in about 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. So it took about a little under a month to come, but that's okay. I was prepared to wait the 3 to 7 weeks for it, so that didn't bother me. Also included is a dust bag for your bag, and on the front it says protect Black women. Now, I am going to be using this bag. I might use this as a lunch bag if I ever have to go back into the office. But this bag is going to get some use out of it. I might use it when I travel to maybe put my underclothes and stuff in. But this bag, she's going to be seeing. It's very structured, like it's a good material. It's not like one of those thin mesh bags that are gonna rip. This is actually a good quality reusable bag. It's got a drawstring on it. So I'm impressed. I'm impressed, and I haven't even got to the bag yet. Now let's get to this bag because I'm excited. Now this is the way that the bag came packaged. It's wrapped in paper, and then it was also in the plastic. So just to make sure it didn't get any scratches, that's why it's the paper. And then the dust bag and the plastic bag were to keep it from getting water damage. Now these bags are vegan and cruelty free. That's another reason why I purchased the bag, but ultimately I purchased it to support another Black up-and-coming brand. Now my bag, including shipping, came out to about $170, which is vegan leather, and I'm supporting a Black brand, so I was gonna spend the coin. Oh, y'all. Oh. So y'all, she pink, of course, because that's my life color. This bag is beautiful. Oh, this bag is beautiful. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 2.5, 3. How beautiful is that? I love the bubble style letters. I love the way they just pop out at you. Protect Black women, because that's what needs to be done. Black women deserve protection too. Absolutely. I love this message. I cannot wait to sport this bag, and I live in a predominantly Caucasian community, so I cannot wait to have this bag on my arm, because I want for every race, nationality, everyone to know that Black women deserve to be protected, and we should be protected just as much as women of every other race. Now this bag, it's not heavy at all. It's not heavy. It's very structured, so it would be, if somebody tried to dupe this, it would be really hard, because this bag is extremely structured. It's very well made. I love the bottom, because the bottom is hard, and then it has these gold pieces of hardware here. So say, for example, you wanted to sit your bag down on the table, but let's say the table had something on it, or it was sticky and you didn't see it. Well, these gold pieces of hardware protect your leather from getting stained if you have to sit the bag down. I know some people sit their bags on the floor. I do not do that, but some people do sit their bags on the floor, and so this helps from scarring occurring on the bottom. My only worry with a bag like this is that I could not wear this bag with an outfit that bleeds. So like denim jeans, or like maybe a dress from like a wholesale vendor that may bleed a little bit. And I haven't had a chance to wash it. I couldn't wear that with this, because I've had leather bags and the entire back of it would be blue because of the type of outfit that I'm wearing with it. So let's open the bag up and see what's inside. So there are short straps so that you can carry it like so, or carry it like this, which is how I would probably carry it, or on my arm, because there is a shoulder strap also included. Sometimes I carry them crossbody, but most of the time, if I'm going to carry it on the arm, I'm going to have it on one shoulder. This is a nice bag. It's nice and hollow. It has cardboard on the inside also, and that's to protect the shape of the bag, because as you can see, the cardboard is the same shape as the bag. And then it has bubble wrap inside of here. Now, you all know that I will be recycling this bubble wrap for my closet sales. I love the gold hardware. I love it. So it's black on the inside. And this is like just that normal black lining that's usually inside of most purses. I don't really know what the material is. It has Cise. I hope I'm saying their name right. It has Cise here in bubble letters as well. So that would be like really a way to tell if someone attempted to buy a dupe of this bag, because a lot of times the tags will tell the whole story, and because of the material that this tag is made of, you'll easily be able to tell if you're all up in somebody's business whether or not they have a dupe. The strap hardware is gold as well. So there's two of these little pieces on the inside to clip the purse strap, the longer strap to, and they both are gold. I love this pink and gold combo, you guys. I am living for this bag. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to wear it. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to wear it during the winter, which I probably am, or if I'm going to save it for the summer just because it's a little lighter. But I love this bag. It just seemed like it'll just hold so much. What I'm going to end up doing is getting a purse liner to go in here because there's only one pocket. And I need more pockets than that. So I'm going to end up getting a purse liner. And bags like these work well with purse liners because they literally, you just slide the purse liner on in there. So I'm very impressed. I love the bag. It's beautiful, well made, good quality, vegan and cruelty free, and Black owned from a company based in the United States. So this is my new bag. My new baby. With that being said, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed this really brief unboxing, preparing your mind and your wallet. I hope that you all enjoyed the unboxing and that you like the purse as much as I do. And on top of that, thank you so much again to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. Comment down below if you found out about Dossier through me and if you've had the opportunity to actually shop Dossier using my link that's available in the description box below. I love you all so much. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. I'm Dr. Coco_Curves. And like I always say, bring your mama, bring your sister, bring your auntie, bring your cousin, bring your gay uncle, baby. Hell, bring your baby. Because we got room. And there's always room for curves in Coco's Couture Closet. I'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys.